Is your 2007 Ford Escape's alarm randomly going off at inconvenient times? This frustrating problem has three main causes that we can systematically diagnose. According to automotive technicians, 60% of 2007 Escape alarm issues stem from door ajar sensors, 25% from hood latch problems, and 15% from key fob issues. First, check your door ajar sensors. Look at your dashboard for a door ajar warning light. If this light stays on even when all doors are properly closed, you've found your culprit. The driver's side door sensor fails most frequently due to heavy use. Next, inspect your hood latch sensor. Open the hood and locate the sensor within the latch mechanism. Look for visible corrosion, debris buildup, or a sensor that appears stuck. Environmental factors often cause these sensors to malfunction. Finally, evaluate your key fob. Check the battery level and test all remote functions like lock and unlock. A weak battery or programming issues can cause communication errors that trigger false alarms. Replace the battery if it's been more than 2 years. By systematically checking these three areas, door ajar sensors, hood latch sensor, and key fob issues, you'll identify the source of most alarm problems. Once you've diagnosed the issue, you can proceed with the appropriate repair solution. For door ajar sensor problems, start with cleaning the contacts using electrical contact cleaner. This simple step resolves most sensor issues. The door ajar sensors are located in each door frame with magnetic switches and wire connectors. Proper cleaning and alignment are crucial for reliable operation. For hood latch sensor issues, clean any corrosion or debris with a wire brush and brake cleaner. Then apply white lithium grease to prevent future problems. Use a multimeter to test sensor continuity and verify proper operation. This ensures your repairs are successful before reassembling components. To reset your key fob, follow this precise 8-step procedure. Turn the ignition from off to run 8 times within 10 seconds to enter programming mode. These DIY repairs typically cost 60 to 70% less than professional service. Door sensors cost $20 to $40, while professional repairs can cost hundreds of dollars, including labor.